The LE-R-50 Rotary Stroke Encoder. The LE-R-50 Rotary Stroke Encoder is a device that independently records both the velocity of injection and the distance the screw travels. The CoPilot system will then take those inputs and provide additional data, such as volumetric flow rate and peak injection volume. When mounting the LE-R-50 Rotary Stroke Encoder to a machine, the most important aspect is to make sure that the cable is in alignment with the indicator on the machine. The cable should be straight across, not at an angle. If the cable is at an angle, it will erode the plastic guide on the device and cause errors in the data captured. The Rotary Stroke Encoder can be mounted on the back of the injection unit, with the cable being pulled during injection. Or it can be mounted in front of the injection unit, with the cable being pulled during screw retraction. The LE-R-50 Rotary Stroke Encoder should be hard mounted to the machine. With the vibration of the injection molding machine, using magnets to secure the rotary encoder to the machine could cause the device to slip or fall off, resulting in data measurement errors. Once properly mounted to the machine, the last step is to plug the Lynx cable into the port of the Rotary Stroke Encoder and make sure it is connected to a JLX junction box or CoPilot AP4.0 Application Processor. Thank you for watching this video regarding the installation and use of the LE-R-50 Rotary Stroke Encoder. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.